Meaning of E-Type.
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 E-Type. The term E-Type typically refers to a series of iconic sports cars produced by Jaguar between 1961 and 1975. Known for their sleek design and impressive performance, the E-Type models have become highly sought after among car enthusiasts and collectors. These vehicles were powered by powerful six-cylinder engines and boasted top speeds of up to 150 miles per hour. Today, surviving E-Types are considered valuable classic cars and are widely regarded as some of the most beautiful automobiles ever made.